Hey, what's going on, guys? We just went through the Mac Tools flyer from October 28th to November 24th, 2019. And now we're going to go through the Mac Tools holiday sales flyer. And I split the videos up because I was trying to make them as short as possible to try to not tie up as much of your time as possible. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Before we do, we're going to look at the separate sheet we have here. And this has some Dewalt Cordless hedge trimmers, which the tool number is DCHT82OP1. Now, when you're dealing with Dewalt and a lot of cordless tools, usually the last number indicates whether it's a kit, and the number also denotes usually how many batteries are in the kit. So for instance, this has a 1 at the end, so we know that this hedge trimmer is a kit and that it will include 1 battery. Now this is a 20 volt max hedge trimmer, and it comes with one 5 amp hour battery, and we see the price $199.99. Then we shoot straight down to the Dewalt Max XR chainsaw DCC S620P1. And this also comes with one 20 volt max 5 amp hour lithium ion battery, and this kit will cost you $249.99. And directly across from it, we have the Dewalt 60 volt brushless chainsaw DCC S670X1. This is a flex volt 60 volt max brushless chainsaw kit. It includes one 60 volt 3 amp hour battery, and the price will come in at $369.99. Now, the good thing about the tool trucks, as people know, when you get on tool trucks, you can get these on payments, but you can find these tools cheaper. I'll try to find some and link them down below. So if you're interested to try to find them cheaper and you have the cash, you may want to go that route instead. And we'll shoot straight down below the 60 volt chainsaw to the Dewalt cooler. This is the Dewalt Tough System cooler, 27 quarts of space, DWST 08404, and this will cost you $129.99. They claim that this will hold ice for 5 days and a load capacity of 88 pounds. And last on this page, we have the 20 volt max compact job site blower. This is the bare tool, as we see DCE100B, which in the Dewalt's case indicates bare tool, and this will cost you $109.99. We'll flip it straight over. On the back, we have 12 to 20 volt max job site charging station. This will charge two 20 volt or 12 volt batteries, and it will cost you $113.99. DCB102. Straight across from it, they have some batteries. DeWalt's batteries are expensive in a lot of places, but you can find some decent deals on them, but they still are one of the more expensive batteries to buy. The 60 volt batteries I feel like are a great deal. When you start getting in their 20 volt batteries, for some reason, they are pricey. As we see here, they have one 6 amp hour battery for $129.99 DCB 206, one 3 amp hour 20 volt max DCB 230 for $59.99, a 2-pack of 3 amp hour 20 volt max batteries DCB 230-2 for $129.99. Directly below, we have the 6-gallon pancake air compressor DWFP 55126 coming in at $223.09. They claim this is a 6-gallon air tank with a max PSI rating of 165 and 2.6 SCFM delivered, which is an acronym for standard cubic feet per minute. They claim this has a 75.5 decibel noise level for a quiet work environment with a 30-pound weight. Down below it, we have the 12, 18, or 20 volt worksite radio DCR015 coming in at $230.99. Straight across, we have the 12 volt, 20 volt max charger radio DCR018 $119.99. And we also have the Bluetooth radio adapter DCR002 coming in at $39.99. We'll get into the book. On the front cover, we see the Dewalt Flex Volt 60 volt grinder kit, which is the same grinder I have and is a great grinder. And this kit is DCG414T1, and it comes with one 60 volt 3 amp hour battery with a bag and a fast charger for $299.99. Now, I believe that there is one on Amazon with a 6 amp hour battery like the one I have. I bought the kit with 2 batteries, and I paid, I think, $330 for my kit, and I think you can get the one battery, 6 amp hour, 60 volt battery for around $250. I'll link it down below. I'm not 100% sure on the price, but I know it is cheaper than that. Straight down below, we have the 8 volt max gyro screwdriver kit coming in at $89.99. This comes with 2 8 volt max compact batteries, a bag, a charger, and the screw gun. And this tool number is DCF660N2, 2 denoting 2 batteries in the kit. Feel the sting knife, $29.99. This comes in green, orange, or red. Straight across, we have a multi-function tool with LED, $54.99. Tool number Mac multi-tool. Looks like it comes with a case. They claim it's 16 tools in one. Below, we have the Woodsman bundle. You get all of this for just $149.97. Order item number SCKNIFE-BDL. It looks like you get the camo beanie with headlight, Mac Tools camo beanie. You get the gut hook knife, and you get the caping knife. So you get the beanie and 2 knives for $149.97. On the next page, we have the Dewalt Max half-gallon wet-dry portable vacuum kit, number DCV517M1, and this comes with one 20-volt max 4 amp hour battery for $225.99. And when you buy this, they're giving you a 20-volt max LED flashlight for free. Down below, we have the Dewalt FlexVolt 60-volt max circular saw kit, DCS575T1. This comes with one 60-volt 3 amp hour battery, and I am actually interested in buying this saw eventually.
Okay, I think a lot of people will be.
Okay, I think a lot of people will be happy to see this one. The magnetic parts tray bundle. You're getting the magnetics parts tray, single magnet, 5 3/4, 2 of them. You're getting the magnetics part tray, dual magnet, 8" by 4", 2 of them. And you're getting the magnetic parts tray, triple magnet, 14" by 6.5". You're getting the magnetics parts tray, quad magnet, 12.5 by 10.25. And you're getting the magnetic parts bowl, a 6" bowl, and we can see the price of that, $99.99. And if you're coming from Harbor Freight, this may be a shock for you to see some magnetic trays costing this much. If you're interested in the Mac Tools magnetic trays, you can get that whole bundle for $99.99, and they're claiming that you save $119.94. So there's a steal for you. Below that, we have the Stunt Loop slot car set, GS2019, coming in at $109.99. The item number for the magnetic tray bundle is MagTray-BDL. Straight over here, we have the Expert Innovative Ratchet and Socket sets. We have a 56-piece 3/8 drive socket, ratchet, and extension set, $109.99, E031B12/US. Next, we have the 66-piece 1/4" drive, standard and metric socket set, E0307111-US. Then we have the 88-piece 1/4", 3/8", and 1/2" drive socket set, 6-point and 12-point, E034B0B. And once again, like I said in other videos, that I think that should be where Craftsman is at in the Mac Tools Stanley Black & Decker lineup. I feel like that if they was really wanting to bring Craftsman back to make it a professional tool again, they could make it their second down. On this page, we have the 12-volt, 20-volt max job site Bluetooth speaker coming in at $99.99. That is DCR1010. Straight below it, we have the convenience of light and music combined. This is a 600 lumen rechargeable LED audio light. AUD601R coming in at $149.99. Then we have the Mac Tools Bluetooth headphones, item number MACBLUEEARBUD, Mac Blue Earbud. That will cost you $19.99. It looks like it comes with a little case. On this page, we have the Spy sunglasses And we can see the prices of those: $115.99, $128.99, $105.99. Down below, we have the 7075 military grade aluminum Gators sunglasses, $182.99, $182.99, $182.99. And straight down below, we have the 10,050 milliamps of portable charging power. This is a USB portable charging unit, G0X36R, coming in at $89.99. They're claiming you save $10 off their regular price. And in this page, we have hats. We see the normal hats, $19.99, $29.99. $23.99, $23.99. If you're interested in any of this clothing and you want to know the item numbers, shoot me down in the comments and I'll try to get it for you. But in the interest of time, I'm trying to just shoot through the clothes. Hat, $23.99. This is the same hat I just got. Camo snapback, $23.99, $23.99. Black on black Mac Tools. I wouldn't mind having that one, $23.99. Then we have the wallet, Mac Tools, $29.99. We have the sublimated hot rod tee, $32.99. 4-pack of socks, $29.99. We have the visor beanie, $19.99. The reversible camo beanie, $19.99. The Intarsia, I don't know how to pronounce it, fold over beanie, $19.99. And we also have the trapper hat coming in at $29.99. Now down here we have the high vis pocket tee, $28.99. We have the diesel humor tee, $29.99, and it says on it, "You can keep your mileage, I'll keep my manhood." Diesel on the top. Let's bolt. Mac Tools, $29.99. Locals only, $25.99. Missing in action, last seen 5 seconds ago, the 10mm socket shirt, $29.99. Now we have the Mac Tools hoodie, red and black, coming in at $69.99. The Sherpa Line Skull Card hoodie, $79.99. The Turbo High Vis green hoodie, $69.99. Rust Bucket Pullover hoodie, $69.99. The Locals Only hoodie, $69.99. The Missing in Action 10mm hoodie, $69.99. The High Vis green color block hoodie. I think it's kind of strange that it's just clothes and then here's this guy. No idea who this guy is, but I guess he was important enough to be the only model in this book or on this page. We haven't made it further. There may be more. I just think it's funny at this point. $69.99 for that one. Color block blacked out hoodie, $69.99. Sublimated skull hoodie, $79.99. The Buffalo Check snap front flannel, $89.99. The Sherpa plaid flannel zip front, $89.99. 3-in-1 men's jacket, $199.99. The Skull Eisenhower Dickies jacket, $119.99. The Dickies Sherpa lined Mac Tools jacket, $149.99. The Dickies camo quilted hooded jacket, $119.99. Turbo Skull work shirt, $59.99. Dickies Gasser work shirt, $49.99. And the Dickies Tricolor Block work shirt with large dome logo, $59.99. I actually wouldn't mind having that one. And here's some clothes for your woman. The woman's side tie crew neck, $59.99. The woman's Sherpa hooded pullover, $69.99. The woman's slouchy hooded pullover, $49.99. The woman's cozy sweatpants, Mac Tools down the leg, $34.99. And then we have the women's lace-up leggings, $49.99 for those. Then we have some boys 3-piece onesie sets. So if you got a newborn at home, you can deck them out Mac Tools. Same thing with the little girl. We got the girls 3-piece onesie set. Daddy's Little Helper. I actually kind of like that. That's nice. Tool truck pajama set, $29.99. The boys high vis outwear jacket, $49.99. The boys high vis POM beanie, Mac Tools. And then we have the Mac Tools building block set. I guess these are like Legos, $29.99. You got the cherry picker. You got a little toolbox, the Mac Tools truck. You got the air compressor. Then over here, we got the toy workbench. Be either for your kid or for the guy at work that don't work. Then we got the RC truck, $39.99. The toy workbench is $59.99. I would probably actually buy that for a couple people as a joke. I think that would be funny. I have a weird sense of humor though. Then we have the fire pit, $299.99. Mac Tools, blazing in the night. We got the Lucky Lady Pinup Girl thermometer, $34.99. Then we got the oversized brush metal clock, $139.99. 24 inches in diameter, so it is pretty big, but it's pretty expensive. They even got the Mac Tools dog toy, $8.99. Light up Bluetooth speaker, $69.99. As you guys seen, I bought the Bluetooth skull speaker. I thought it looked cool. Had it a couple days, dropped it, smashed it, made in China junk. It's not even that loud anyway, and I should have went with one of these sound bars. So lesson learned, $50 down the drain, but sometimes you got to pay to learn stuff in life. Buffalo Check Sherpa blanket, $39.99. Then you got the missing in action garage sign, 10 millimeter, $29.99. I probably would actually hang that up in here. And we got the Skull whiskey tumblers, $19.99. The Black Skull shot glasses 2-pack, $14.99. The Skull ice cube tray, $14.99. Those makes ice cubes that look like skulls, so that'd be pretty cool, I guess. Black Skull mug 2-pack, $24.99. Then we got the Red Pit Crew bar stool, $149.99. I would actually like to have that, for real. And here we are on the back page. We have the 20-volt, 60-volt max portable power system, tool only, $349.99. These will charge 4 batteries simultaneously, fast charge those batteries. They claim you save $70. Now, I don't know if I can find that cheaper. I'll link it down below, but that would be nice to have. And I do believe that it is cheaper elsewhere. And then straight below it, we have the 4-port 20-volt fast charger, $199.99. Those will just do 20-volt. The top will do 20 and 60. And then right here, we have the Eagle USA metal art. So I'm imagining it looks like this. It's made in the USA. The dimensions are 18 inches tall by 18 inches wide, 18 gauge American cold rolled steel. It's got a durable red and blue anodized look finish. So I guess it looks kind of like that. That kind of just looks like it's printed. That don't look like the actual thing, but I guess it looks like that. And you see they have proudly stamped there, made in the USA. So there it is. There's Mac Tools big holiday savings. What do you guys think about it? Figured I'd share it with you and hang out with you for a few. So I appreciate you watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go down and subscribe below, because I do videos like this, projects, tips, tricks, tool reviews, and I'm going to be doing welding. So we got all kinds of stuff coming up. There's a lot of stuff going to be happening on this channel. We're going to have some fun, and I hope you stick around. Till next time, y'all, take it easy.